Hi and welcome back to this channel. Today's topic is a little bit different. We are diving into the world of visual championship and exploring how you can actually get paid to chat. So if you are someone who enjoys conversations, making friends and helping others feel less alone, then this one might be your perfect side hustle. Plus, it offers flexibility and a chance to work from anywhere in the world. So grab a snack and get comfy. And let's explore some websites that can turn your chatty personality into an income stream. Now the first one up is Texting Factory. As the name suggests, this platform focuses on text-based interactions. Here you could be engaging in customer service chats, managing online dating profiles, or even moderating social media communities. Now this is a great option for those who are fast typists with a strong eye for details. So you will need to be comfortable following specific guidelines and maintaining a professional tone in your communications. So you can head on to Google and then type in Texting Factory, join and then start making money online as a chat moderator. Cloudworkers is a big player in chat moderation world. They offer a variety of projects from different platforms, which keeps things interesting and dynamic. If you are looking for a flexible and a chance to interact with diverse online communities, Cloudworkers could be a great fit for you. They cater a wide range of needs, so you are bound to find a project that always align with your skills and interests. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then type in cloudworkers.com, join with your email address, then start chatting with people online, hence making money online. Rent a PC friend. This platform offers a unique opportunities to become a virtual friend for people seeking companionship. This goes beyond just text chats. You can provide services like video calls, phone calls, and even gaming sessions. And the cool part with this website is that you can set your own rates ranging from $5 to $50 per hour. And you can offer additional services like life coaching or motivational supports. Now here's another interesting platform. Rent a Cyber Friend. On Rent a Cyber Friend. Now the cool thing with this website is that you can earn $1 per minute through video calls. And another cool thing with this website is that they accept people from all over the world. So my friend who is watching this video from Ghana, South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya, you can apply for this website and then start making money as a chat moderator. Payments here are processed through secure methods like bank transfer and PayPal. The best part, there's no degree or certification is needed. The only requirement here is that you need to have a reliable internet connection, a smartphone, and a little bit of your time. However, they do take 20% commissions on your earnings. So keep that in mind when setting your rates. Now, before we move on, it is important to know that some websites might have restrictions on content or the nature of conversations. Always make sure you feel comfortable with the type of interactions expected before signing up. Now, similar to Rent a Friend PC is called Friend PC. This platform connects people seeking companionship with the visual friends. Here you can offer text message, video calls, phone calls, or even make some extra cash playing games. They offer user-friendly platforms and allows you to set your own rates. Plus, you can even get a referral bonus for recruiting other visual friends. Talkspace is a leading online therapy. Their companion program allows you to provide emotional supports and companionship to people seeking therapy. And this is a great option for those who are empathetic listeners. So if you can listen, if you can put yourself into the shoe of another person, this is a great option for you. So if you are comfortable and you can offer non-judgmental support, then this is the best option for you. However, keep in mind that Talkspace Companion may require special skills, may require special training or experience. It is important to take note that Talkspace Companion are not therapy themselves. They provide companionship and support alongside licensed professionals. So there you have it. Best websites that you can make money online chatting with lonely people.